Now, let's hear from one of America's leading urologists on these important prostate issues. Meet Dr. Dudley Danoff, one of America's leading urologists. He is a graduate of Princeton University, Yale Medical School, a fellow of the American Board of Surgeons, and a diplomat of the American Board of Urology. Dr. Danoff is the founder of the prestigious Tower Urology Group at the world-famous Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles. He's examined over 200,000 men in his remarkable 40-year career. He is widely considered one of America's top urologists.
Well, the aging prostate, I think, has a profound effect on the quality of a man's life. I mean, one of the things both as a doctor and as a man, I cherish a good night's sleep. And if my sleep is interrupted 4 or 5 times, having to go to the bathroom because I cannot completely empty my bladder, my next day is a wreck. I'm a wreck. I can't see patients. I can't concentrate on my work. I can't keep my head down on my golf swing. The aging prostate and the inability to empty your bladder, is profoundly affects the quality of a man's life, without doubt. The thing that I love about ProstaGenix is, number one, it works. It helps reduce getting up at night. It helps reduce dribbling. It widens the urinary stream. It promotes emptying of the bladder. It is the perfect supplement for the aging prostate. I think the fact that we have this special compound that comes from this very unique place in France, beta-cytosterol. It comes from a very skinny little pine tree, which happens to be in the Landis Forest, a part of France. Now, Landis Forest is right next to Bordeaux, and we all know that Bordeaux, and I especially know that because I'm a great wine lover, the finest wine in the world comes from Bordeaux. So there's a special unity between the Atlantic Ocean coming in and it meets the forest. There's a precise acidity in the soil. There's no chemicals. There's no GMOs. So it's a very unique place. And this particular tree produces this sterol in such a concentrated manner that it has become the key ingredient. And there is no other supplement on the market that even comes close to the concentration of the sterol as this product. I have never, prior to this, ever endorsed any herbal product. I came across ProstaGenix, an herb, not a medicine, a miraculous improvement on anything I've ever seen in terms of prostate health, allowing men, the aging man, to improve his quality of life, stop getting up so much at night, dribbling, frequency, urgency, all of those horrible symptoms that make a man miserable. And I am very, very happy to endorse this product. I just think it's the best thing that I've seen in a long time, or if ever. Nothing spoils a day like a lousy night's sleep the night before. Getting up at night just wears you out. You stumble around. You can't get back to sleep. And that is one of the reasons why ProstaGenix, this herbal supplement, is so important. I've seen such a dramatic decrease in this, what we call nocturia, this getting up at night with this supplement. And that's the main complaint. And men wake up in the morning, they're refreshed, they're bright, they're ready to go. Kill 'em, tiger, let's beat 'em, My practice and my attachment to the great Cedars-Sinai Medical Center is right there in the heart of West LA, and the studios are there, and the stars live on our neighborhood, and they use our hospital. And I can tell you the stars, just like you and me, they put their pants on one leg at a time, and most of them are just charming and nice and wonderful, and many of them are idiosyncratic, but they're just people, and they have the same prostate aging issues as anybody else. certainly amongst the ones that I can talk about, because for privacy reasons I can't tell you the ones I still take care of, but Frank Sinatra, chairman of the board, comes to mind. Gregory Peck was a great patient of mine. Ray Charles was an incredible talent and a wonderful, wonderful patient. Johnny Carson had his unique style, and they were all patients of mine. And I only wish that when I was treating them, I had a herbal preparation like ProstaGenix, which I could have given them. I mean, it would have made the years of their aging prostates much, much better, much more satisfactory. But we didn't have it then. So now we have it, and now we treat the celebrities and we treat the regular folk. And this is part of our program. This is part of our regimen. I did review the lab reports, and the ProstaGenix folks, they went to one of the most respected chemical laboratories in the country. They certified the exact amount, the exact percentage of the sterol in ProstaGenix. I believe they studied about 157 different supplements. Most of them did not tell truthfully the amount of the sterol in the compound, and ProstaGenix came out absolutely at the top of the line in terms of concentration. So we're looking at a supplement which has been tested. Laboratories don't lie. It's true what they say. The number of milligrams on the label are the number of milligrams in the product. So I was, as a physician, and as a scientist, I was very impressed with that. The reason I think ProstaGenix is such a great product, and because I take it personally and recommend it to my patients, is that the key ingredient in ProstaGenix has been shown in clinical trials and peer-reviewed journals to be effective in reducing getting up at night, strengthening the urinary stream, allowing complete bladder emptying, no dribbling. It's just a great supplement